Frontier Group Holdings, based in Colorado, is acquiring Spirit Airlines Inc. in a cash and stock transaction for $6.6 billion. The acquisition is expected to help Frontier compete with the larger competitors and expand flight routes. The combined company would be the fifth largest airline in the United States, and the deal was approved by the boards of directors of both companies over the weekend, ahead of the two CEOs meeting in New York to formally announce the agreement. The vaccination drive and the relaxation of restrictions benefited the businesses. Now, on Monday, Spirit Airlines reported strong quarterly results, and this article was written by the team of Kalkine writers. I'm happy to present it to you today. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm Sage for Kalkine Media. So let's find out more about these deal details. The transaction is worth US $6.6 billion when net debt and operating lease liabilities are factored in. Frontier shareholders will own 51.5% of the merged entity, while Spirit shareholders will own the remaining 48.5%. And Spirit shareholders will receive 1.9126 Frontier shares, and that will be at $2.13 in cash for each share of Spirit they own. Frontier's offer price of US $25.83 per Spirit share represents a roughly 19% premium over Spirit's closing price on Friday, 4th of February. The companies anticipate that the agreement will help to accelerate the innovation and compete with the major US airlines such as American Airlines, Southwest Airlines and others. The combined entity is expected to add around 10,000 direct jobs by 2026, according to a statement from the companies. Now, furthermore, they will offer 1,000 daily flights to over 145 destinations. In addition, the companies will acquire more than 350 aircraft for the operations. They anticipate that the low-cost services will help customers save around $1 billion in annual spending. The airline stated that they would also offer low-cost flights to more US and Latin American destinations. Those fourth quarter results for Spirit Airlines, let's find out a bit more about those. And Spirit Airlines reported fourth quarter revenue of $987.55 million, up 98% year on year. Its net loss, however, was $87.15 million, or 80 cents US per diluted share, compared to a loss of $157.3 million, or $1.61 US per diluted share in the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2020. The company's total operating revenue increased 78.5% year on year to reach $3.23 billion in the fiscal 2021. So the bottom line on February the 7th, the Frontier ULCC stock rose 2.34% up to $12 US 68 cents, while the Spirit SAVE stock rose 15.39% to reach $25 US and 0.75 cents. Well, that's all for now in this edition of the Trending News. Do keep watching Kalkine TV for more of the news and info on the economy and markets. If you like this information though, let us know by liking, sharing and commenting on the video below, and subscribe to the channel. By pressing the bell icon, you'll be notified every time Kalkine releases a new video, which is quite often. And for more articles like this, do head to the website. It's kalkinemedia.com. This is Sage for Kalkine Media.